Tower, good morning. Flair 930. We're on the ILS for 30. Understand that missed approach is left turn heading to 250. Out of discretion, climbing to 5,000.
Flair 930, Tower Roger, and runway 30. The winds are 3007, altimeter's 2982, and I understand that is the plan. The photographers that want to take the pictures are actually on Alpha 4. So if you plan your low approach to probably midpoint, maybe just a little bit further before the left turn, that should set them up nicely if that works for you.
Absolutely. Thanks for your help. And that's the whole plan.
Flair 930, okay, I checked that, thanks. You are cleared the low approach, and once you start the turn and are comfortable, you can switch back to terminal on 120.5.
1205, once we're able. Flair 930. Flair 930, we're on the ILS now for 30, full stop.
Flair 930, Evan Tower, Roger, runway 30, the winds are 3408, the altimeter is 2982. Plan to roll out to the end, that'll be easiest for you for your next exercise, and you clear to land on runway 30.
Clear to land 30, roll out to the end, Flair 930.
Flair 930 Tower, keep it rolling to the end, exit there, and contact ground 1217 off. Good day.